What if I told you there's a faceless channel that's quietly exploding right now? The channel is called Psyche Depth, and it launched this May. In just 4 months, it's already gained more than 85,000 subscribers, and that was just the beginning. One video passed 272,000 views, another is sitting at over 271,000, and almost every upload pulls in hundreds of thousands of views. But here's the craziest part. This channel doesn't show a face or even talk into a camera. Instead, it's all about female psychology and modern dating dynamics, a niche that always sparks curiosity, debate, and emotion. And the trick? They use sketch-style stick figure animations. At first glance, they look simple, but they're incredibly powerful. They grab attention, they're easy to follow, and they keep people hooked all the way through. Now you might be thinking, making videos like this must be impossible, but that's exactly where I come in. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create these exact types of viral videos using free AI tools. So make sure you stick around until the very end, because every step matters. And for anyone wondering about monetization, yes, the channel is fully monetized. In fact, it made over $30,000 in ad revenue in just 1 month. So nothing is stopping you from creating your own channel right now. And to make it easier, I've already done the hard work for you. Every single prompt you'll need for this niche is inside a Google Doc, and the link is right below in the description. And while you're down there, don't forget to hit that like button if you find this video helpful. Now, before we dive in, let me show you a short demo I created for this niche, using the exact same strategy I'm about to walk you through.
She wanted you when you were a mystery, but once she had you, the spark disappeared. Why does this happen? In female psychology, attraction isn't just about looks, it's about emotions. The chase excites because it feels uncertain, unpredictable, alive. When she doesn't fully know if she has you, her imagination fills in the gaps. But once you reveal everything, once she knows you'll always be there, the excitement fades.
Let's jump back into the tutorial. Open the Google Doc and copy the topic prompt directly from there. Next, head over to your favorite AI text generator. For this tutorial, I'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt inside ChatGPT. But before you hit enter, make one small adjustment. Type in the number of video ideas you want it to generate for you. For example, you can ask for 5, 10, or even 20 ideas in one go. The more options you have, the easier it is to find hidden gems. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a list of unique, intriguing, and highly clickable video ideas based on the niche of female psychology and modern dating dynamics. These topics are designed to spark curiosity, boost watch time, and attract massive views. Go through the list carefully and choose the idea that really jumps out at you. This step is important because your topic is the foundation of your video. Get this right, and you're setting yourself up for higher click-through rates and more viral potential. Now that we've chosen our video topic, the next step is to generate our script. Head back to the Google Doc, copy the script prompt and the image prompt, and paste them directly into ChatGPT. Before you hit enter, make 2 quick but important adjustments. First, type in the number of minutes you want your final video to run. This helps ChatGPT structure the script with the right pacing and length. Next, add the topic you chose earlier. Once you're done, hit enter, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete script and image prompt tailored for the female psychology and modern dating dynamics niche. These scripts are designed to grab attention in the first few seconds, hold viewers until the very end, and maximize your chances of going viral. The next step is generating a professional voiceover. For this, we'll be using Google AI Studio. Head over to the Google AI Studio page and create a free account. Once you're logged in, click on Single Speech and you'll see the voiceover creation interface. Now, copy the script we generated earlier with ChatGPT and paste it into the text box inside Google AI Studio. This ensures your final voiceover flows smoothly and sounds professional. Next, click on the Voices tab. You'll see a wide selection of male and female AI voices. Preview a few options until you find the one that matches the tone of your video. Once you've chosen your voice, click Run, and in just seconds, Google AI Studio will generate a polished, studio-quality voiceover. From there, simply download the file straight to your device. The next step is generating the visuals for our video. But before that, we need the right image prompts. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the image prompt. When we generated the script earlier, ChatGPT also gave us a basic image prompt. But for detailed and consistent visuals, I've created a custom image prompt we'll be using. So, copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now here's the important part. If you want your visuals to match the exact style of the channel we're modeling, take a screenshot of one of their videos and upload it into ChatGPT along with the prompt. This way, the AI understands the black and white sketch-style stick figure look they're using. So, paste the script below the prompt, then hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate detailed image prompts that you can feed into AI image generators, giving you consistent and engaging visuals for your video. Now, it's time to actually generate those images. For this, we'll be using Gemini's new feature. Open Gemini and log into your account. Once you're inside, go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt and paste it into Gemini. Click Generate, and within seconds, Gemini will produce an amazing image based on your prompt. Download it straight to your device. Then, simply repeat this process for all your prompts. In just a few minutes, you'll have a full library of custom black and white sketch visuals ready to go. The next step is animating those images into video clips. For this, we'll use VO2. Head over to Google AI Studio and log into your account. Once you're inside, open the menu bar, select Generate Media, and choose VO. This takes you to the animation interface. Upload your first image, then go back to ChatGPT and copy the exact prompt you used to create that image. Paste it into VO2 and click Generate. Within seconds, VO2 will process your request and create a smooth, fully animated video clip from your static sketch. Preview the animation, and as you'll see, it looks clean, fluid, and ready for use. When you're happy with it, download it straight to your device. Repeat this process for each of your images until you've built a full set of animated clips. Next up, background music. For this, we'll use Suno AI. Head over to Suno and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, click on the music icon to open the music creation interface. Since we don't need lyrics, just background tunes, make sure you select the instrumental option. Now, to get the perfect soundtrack for your video, go back to ChatGPT and ask it for a music style that fits your script. Hit enter, copy the music style suggestion, and paste it directly into Suno. Give your track a title, then click Create. In just a few seconds, Suno will generate 2 unique instrumental tracks based on your input. Listen to both tracks. Pick the one that matches your video's mood the best and download it straight to your device. And now, the final step, bringing everything together with editing. And for this step, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut. Click on New Project and import all the animated clips you generated earlier. Next, set your aspect ratio to 16:9, since that's the perfect size for YouTube videos. Now, import the voiceover we created with Google AI Studio and place it on the timeline. Carefully trim out any silent gaps in the narration so it flows smoothly. Once that's clean, start arranging your animated clips in the correct order so they sync perfectly with the voiceover. To make your video more engaging, let's add motion effects. Click on your first clip, add a keyframe at the very beginning, then move to the end of the clip and zoom in or out slightly before adding another keyframe. This creates a subtle motion effect that keeps viewers' eyes locked in. Repeat this process for all your clips to give the entire video a polished, professional look. Next, let's add transitions between each clip. Click on Overlay, browse through the transition effects, and pick the one that matches your style. Once you find the right one, click Apply to All so the transition flows across your whole video. Now, let's add the captions. Click on Text, then select Auto Captions. Click Generate, and CapCut will automatically create captions for your script. Adjust the font size and position so it looks clean on screen. Finally, import the background music we created earlier with Suno. Trim any extra audio, then lower the volume so it enhances the video without overpowering the narration. When everything is in place, click Export, and that's it. Let's take a look at the final result.
She wanted you when you were a mystery, but once she had you, the spark disappeared. Why does this happen? In female psychology, attraction isn't just about looks. It's about emotions. The chase excites because it feels uncertain, unpredictable, alive. When she doesn't fully know if she has you, her imagination fills in the gaps. But once you reveal everything, once she knows you'll always be there, the excitement fades.
Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.